Okay, this is Sakura H2O. The, Tomorrow, October 31st, is the best holiday of the year. In America, we celebrate this holiday called Halloween. Kids dress up and go door to door, trick or treating in their own neighborhoods. Well, it means free candy. So this year I'm gonna go trick or treating and get a bunch of free candy. Satisfy my cravings all year. Free candy. What could be better? In America on Halloween, we also have a really awesome tradition: carving pumpkins and putting candles in them. After we take all the shit out, we carve them, put candles in them, and call them jack-o'-lanterns. Today I bought a 16.3 pound pumpkin, and I peeled and I made it into a jack-o'-lantern. I wrote Halloween on it. I had some help carving the letters, but yeah, it's gonna be the best. Some people party and get drunk, but if you are on a lot of meds like me, I've got meds for seizures. It's the best. It's best to not drink. You can just go door to door, get free candy, and you know what the best part is? Sugar highs, the best time of year. Besides Hanukkah. Yeah, I'm Jewish. So Halloween is the best time of year, the best holiday besides Hanukkah. It's really fun. If you don't live in the USA and you've never celebrated a Halloween, and if you come to the USA as a college student or foreign exchange student, you gotta try Halloween. You dress up as something. This year I'm gonna be Sakura Haruno Part 2, and I'm also gonna use it at an anime convention. So yeah, I'm gonna have a lot of fun on the 31st. Free candy. If you've never celebrated a Halloween, and if your country doesn't have Halloween, then that's a drag. But once you try Halloween, it's awesome. You've gotta try Halloween. The best holiday of the year in America. Well, I'll be going now, and I'll see you in my next blog. Peace out. Oh, man.